What is up guys, it is LBC Tech Therapy here, and today we're going to take a look at one of the better microphones that you can get at a very low price of only £19 or 27 bucks. And that is of course the Techstar SGC 598 microphone, and that is a barrel microphone which works perfect for creating content like YouTubing, vlogging, etc. The overall design of the Techstar mic is of course made of plastic, but some of it is made of aluminum, and that is the barrel of the mic. On the bottom of the mic is the mount, which screws directly on the hot shoe of the camera, and the mic uses an AA battery to charge it up. So you of course need to purchase some of those, but if you have some rechargeable ones, you can also use those. And to record audio you need to use the 3.5mm jack, which is a bit stretchable. It reaches about 13 inches, so you can have it put on a separate stand if you like, but it's only 13 inches that it stretches. So. And on the front and the back of the mic is the shock mount to help prevent any noise during vibrations or anything when filming. And you also get 8 more of these shock preventers, these small little rubber things. Yeah. And when the Techstar mic is mounted, this is how it looks. And when powering on the mic, it flashes a bright green, so you know that it is of course fully charged, and when it is decharged it turns red like a and right beside the right beside the power on switch is of course the 10 decibel sensitivity. And right beside the power on switch is the 10 decibel sensitivity tone up, which helps you catch all noise around you, which is not that good for content creators like us on YouTube, because it catches all the noises around you, and well, yeah, you don't want that. And this is how the Techstar SGC 598 microphone sounds with the 10 decibel sensitivity tone up on. And left to the 10 decibel switch is of course the low cut switch, and we'll of course be testing that out for you. This is how the Techstar SGC 598 microphone sounds with the cut low switch on. The Techstar SGC 598 costs around $27 or £19, and at this price point the mic is unbeatable. You get a mic that not only looks good, it also performs like a beast. And even though the mic is mainly made out of plastic, it feels and looks premium as hell. The sound it produces is great, and there is not just much more to say about the mic. It's amazing for you budget content creators, and even you guys out there that has a dope mic that just want another one. And well, yeah, that was all from me this time. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you will love the dance that is coming up right around the corner. So you better check out some of these videos that you see right up here. I bet you like them, like your mama do. See you, babe. I got chills that's multiplying, and I'm losing.